Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on the REALME C71. Okay, so let's begin. As a first thing, I'll show you some hidden things that we can change in the developer settings. So, to do it, to get access into those options, we need to open up the settings first. Now scroll down into the bottom until you find the About Phone information. Now scroll down, click on the version, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times. Now in my case I need to also draw my pattern to continue, and we can now see on the bottom that we are now we have access into the developer mode. So let's go back. Now let's click on the system, and here above the reset phone option we have the developer options. Okay, and here we have 4 things that we can change to get some speed level. So let's scroll down. In here we have the first 3. It's the animated duration scale, transition animation, zoom, and the window animation scale. Defaultly, all 3 of them are set on 1x. If you want to boost the speed though of your device, you can select them on 0.5 or on off. But if you set them on off, you won't have animations and some things, so I would say you should select them on 0.5. You will have the animation and the device will look will work faster. So that's what I would do if you want to boost the speed. But remember that all the things that you're doing in the developer options, you're doing on your own. Let's scroll down also, and here under the apps we have the background process limit. Defaultly it's set on the standard limit, but to improve we can select the at most 3 or at most 4. Now we should have the best performance possible when it comes to the developer options and the things that we can change right in here. So now we can go back. Also, if you want to boost the speed, you can open up your recent apps from time to time and simply close the apps that you are not using, but they are still running in the background. So simply from time to time open your recent apps and scroll up to close the apps that you are not using and that are unnecessarily opened. Okay, and now we can go into the apps once more. I mean into the settings, and from here we want to get into the apps and into the app management. In here, if you have some of the apps that you are not using, you can simply uninstall them. For example, we have this game, the Blockbust, and I'm not using it. We can simply uninstall it because, you know, we'll get some free storage space, and thanks to that our device might work faster. So simply uninstall it. And also, if you don't want to uninstall the app, you can click on the storage usage, and here in some of the apps you will have a possibility to clear the cache. So from time to time you can do it. When it comes to the Blockbust, it doesn't work, but for example in apps such as YouTube, the Facebook, in the app that you are using, you will have a possibility to clear the storage space. Also, you don't need to uninstall from the settings. You can always do it from the level of your home screen. Simply hold on the icon, and here you can also uninstall it. Also, when we go back, we have the different category for the unused apps. If you have some the apps that are unused, you will have a list of them right in here, and you will have a possibility to uninstall them. Okay, so that when it comes to the apps, we can also now click on the storage, and we have a possibility to free up some space. So it is definitely the thing that we want to do, and we can clean 144 megabytes. So let's click on that, and now we get some free storage space, and thanks to that our device should work simply faster and better. Okay, we can also add the cleanup widget into our home screen. We can add it, why not? We have also the whole app for the managing of our device. It's right in here. It's called the phone manager, and if you open it up in here, you can also clean up your storage space. That's the thing that we just did. And also we can optimize our device. When we click on this green button, You won't always have a possibility to do that, but if you have that possibility, simply click on the optimize button. And now our device will work in the best way possible. Click on done, and that's the thing that we wanted to do. Alright, also, from the Play Store, for example, we can download some third-party cleaning apps that will might help with organizing the storage space of your device and clean the junk files also. So you can download them from the Play Store. Simply type the cleaner, or before that you can open up your browser and type I don't know, list of recommended cleaning apps and read the opinions and then pick one. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you is a simple reboot of your device, because thanks to that your phone rests for a moment, let's say in that way, and also during that process the background process are being closed. Also the RAM gets freed up. So to perform a reboot we need to open up the power menu first, so let's tap the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now grab this white ball and put it on the restart button, release your finger. Now the screen will go black, and now within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically and then ready to use once again. And I would say that performing a reboot is good, let's say once a week. I think you shouldn't do that more often. I think one time in a week is completely it's completely okay. You shouldn't do that more times. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.